Alright, got 4570 government 300 grain Winchester Super X semi-jacketed hollow points. Gonna be doing a flight trajectory through water at about 50 yards, see how the bullet goes, see what happens, and see what we get. Alright, here we go. Gonna do the flight trajectory through water, flight path, the 4570. These are Winchester semi-jacketed 300 grain. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are once again with the big bastard, Thor. There you go. This is our flight path. As you can see, the boards are numbered. We hit a little high and over, but as you can see, it is already just starting to make a turn in and down. That big bullet. And that little wing right there's probably got a lot to do with it. I mean, I'm pretty sure that is almost like a glove fitting in to the hole right there. The reason for the spiral, probably, perhaps, maybe, who knows, but we're going in right there, almost centered up. Bam. Now I did not make it through the third water jug. Well, one, two, yes, third water jug, but it still hit the back side of the water jug hard enough to split the board. So here we go. Let's just see some measurements going on. Now this is what's interesting, is that's a lot smaller than that hole, or a lot bigger than that hole. We are going .38. .44. Okay, 0.39. A little bit of shrinkage. But there you go, that's the entry. Try to do 0.78, gaping hole. And 0.73. I'm not gonna get the little sprawler. But what do we have here? 0.65, 66, 0.66, and it started out as a 0.44. So it went up 22. Some nice expansion going on for that to that as a big damn hole. Big damn hole for sure. So it went in, wham, and then kind of start going down and to the left again, which might have had something to do with that. So there you go. Thanks for watching.